Alejandro. Tapos yung babaeng katabi niya na baka hindi niyo makita dahil she's small but terrible. The lovely lady in red is my lola. Ayan, yun ang nagturo sa akin kumanta, silang dalawa. At sumayaw. Ayan, napakagaling sumayaw niyan, lola ko. Mamaya baka sample, Lols. Sample? Nanood pa kayo ng Showtime? Wala na ako this week kasi may mga shows na ako over this coming week. But I really had fun doing the show. And I don't know if any of you saw the papers today, but I was about to say that over the past so many years, nagkaroon na rin naman marami mga Valentine's Day na single ako, diba, malungkot, may mga taon din naman na heartbroken, may mga taon din naman na may boyfriend, may kasama, may ka-date, ganyan. But this year, this Valentine's Day will be my very first Valentine's Day to be engaged. Yeah. So, next year, may asawa na. Yan. Anyway, I wanted to sing this song because in a lot of my concerts, nire-request ito ng manager ko, si Tita Girly Rodes, kasi paboritong-paborito niya itong kanta na to na kinakanta ko sa mga show. Kasi one time, nagkataon na Valentine's Day, sa isang Valentine's Day concert, I sang this song. And I was feeling particularly lonely that year. And naisip ko lang right before I sang the song na this song actually is parang wish list ito ng lahat ng mga ilan sa inyo, and at that time ako din, na who was wishing for someone to love, to find that special someone, the kind of person who you want to be with for the rest of your life. And I remember sabi ko pa nga na parang I wish I had somebody na ganito. Here's the song.